Hello everybody, my name is Jeremy Ryder. I am a solutions architect here at Network Solutions, and I want to talk to you a little bit about Meraki. Now you may have heard the story. They are a startup out of MIT, and they decided that maybe we could do this switch management thing a little bit better. So they built a service in the cloud that their switches and eventually firewalls and access points could all connect back to. And they decided that building this cloud service would enable me to administer and do all of my configuration and manage all of my devices from one central dashboard. So let's say you've got some equipment, you've got a firewall, you've got a switch. The first thing you want to do to get this thing connected is build an account. Now, all of that, account building, the administration, the configuration, the management, is on the Meraki dashboard. So you can simply go to dashboard.meraki.com. And from now on, you want to administer, you want to config, you want to manage, there you go. Save it in your browser, go to dashboard.meraki.com. So now I've got an account built. Second thing is I'm going to build out my networks. Now you can build these out however you want, but I have found one of the best ways to set up these networks is basically by physical location. And that just works kind of intuitively with the Meraki dashboard. You go in here and they'll have, well, this is going to limit my geographical drawing powers. They'll have a map of the United States. And you'll say, you know what, I got a Chicago office, I got a New York office, I got a San Francisco office, I got a Miami office, or maybe it's just a bunch of offices here in Indiana. In either case, we can plot each of those networks, or if you've made them by location, each of those locations on a map and just give a simple green, it's doing good, yellow, maybe there's some degraded performance, or red is totally offline. We need to figure something out. So a great way to monitor your networks and kind of divide up your devices. Let's determine it by physical location. Then lastly, I'm just building my inventory. So I look at each of these networks, I look at each of these locations, I know what devices I'm putting in there, and in the Meraki dashboard, I just start entering their serial numbers. Now, I've got all devices where they need to be in the Meraki dashboard. Kind of virtually, the system is built, and now I just need to go and plug things in, and I've got a network up and running.